What's going on, everyone, and welcome to this video. Now, let's be honest, we all love selling on Amazon, whether you're doing retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, bundles, private label, whatever you're doing, we love doing it. What we don't love is tracking it. What we don't love is tracking the accounting and bookkeeping that comes with it, how much profit we're making, etc. It's very easy to post big sales numbers online, but there's a lot more fees that go into this. And a lot of the time, sellers are only making 10%, 15% margin when they maybe think they're making more. And it amazes me how many sellers don't track their profit with a software so that they know that they're doing it right. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about Sellerboard and how you can actually track your profits by using Sellerboard on an ongoing basis. This interlinks with your Amazon account, and it's actually, as far as I'm aware, the most cost affordable software. So right at the bat, I'm going to tell you what it is. If you want to do it, make sure you, by the way, you don't sign up without my link below. It's a 2-month free trial with no credit card required for Sellerboard. Once you get past that free trial with the link below, you will then have only $15 per month. You can get the cheapest software on. $15 a month for this software on an ongoing basis. That's with a yearly plan. I think it's $19 with a monthly plan. So it's a really affordable bit of kit. And as I say, it just interlinks straight away with your Amazon account. So without further ado, let's dive into this right now. So here we go. Let's get my big head. I always say that. It's not that big, is it? Let me know how big you think my head is in the comments below. Is it that big? I also get my big head out of the way. Let's dive into this. So this is the dashboard that you're going to come to. So this is a demo account I've got right now. And by the way, the link below, if you want to sign up, just before you sign up, you can check the demo account just to see exactly what you're getting on the dashboard. So with the dashboard here, what you will see is the today, yesterday. We've got all these tiles here, the month to date, this month forecast, and last month. What I'm going to do is accurately go into the profit and how you can calculate your exact profit by using this tool. And then later on, I'm going to show you just a couple of features that Sellerboard's got as well, because this pays for itself 10 times over each month by using what the section there, which is called the money back section, where we actually claim money back that Amazon owe us because of the information that Sellerboard provides. So I'll show you that later at the end of the video. Let me just show you the profits for now, then I'll show you how the software actually pays for itself anyway, multiple times over from the stuff that we can claim back. So today, on this demo account, let's have a look. So straight away, you can see the sales there. And then you've got the refunds there, the orders and units, all the basic stuff, advertising costs. Once again, all this data is extracted and pulled straight away from Amazon itself, from your Amazon selling dashboard, once you connect it to your Amazon seller account. Got the estimated payout, gross profit and net profit there. We then also have the advertising cost breakdown here. So let's click on that, for example. We can see the attribution to Facebook or Google or sponsored brand videos, for example. Most of you will just have the sponsored brand or sponsored display for the actual Amazon PPC itself. Most people won't integrate this with Facebook, etc. But you can do. Most people are just selling on Amazon. But you can connect this to eBay and Shopify as well. That's hence why it's got that on the dashboard. Most will just be using this for Amazon. You also got the unit breakdown there, organic, sponsored products, sponsored display. It gives you a breakdown there, which is really cool. And then it gives you a total sales of organic, sponsored products, sponsored display, same day, etc. We then got the more important stuff here, which is things like the shipping costs. So how much are you actually spending? So let's say, for example, you log into your account. And let's say yesterday we spent, we sold £525. And we can see we've only done a net profit of $90, sorry. And we're thinking, hold on a minute, why is that? Well, you can actually click more and find out what that was. And usually most of the time it's to do with the Amazon fees here. As you can see, there was an inbound transportation yesterday of $66.38. So if we got that $66.38 back, we would have been around about 150 net profit, which is more like it on that sort of turnover. So you can see the margin here. Generally, that margin should be around about 24-25%. It's because of that fee there, the inbound transportation. And this is really important because you need to know exactly what's going on in your business. And this gives you the breakdown of exactly how you do that. So you can see the Amazon fees. It's got the fulfillment fees, inbound transportation, as I've just spoken about, referral fees, FBA disposal fee, referrals, and then you've got cost of goods, gross profit, expenses here. Tax consultant came out yesterday as well, and that's coming off this net profit here. We've got the warehouse fee. So all of this stuff you can input into the back end, and it will come out on a certain day. Whatever day your direct debits come out, you can add them on here as well. So at the end of the month, you've got this sort of true reflection of your profits for the month. Let's click on last month here. So we can see the total margin for the whole month, 31.8%. ROI, 721%. Wow, I wouldn't mind this account. 721% ROI. We've got the total advertising cost, total shipping cost, refund cost, Amazon fees there. And once again, you can have a breakdown. Just check how much warehouse damage have we got back. See, in my opinion, if this was a real account, no, it's not. If it was a real account, I'll be wondering why there isn't more warehouse damage refunds coming on here. So this is the minus, but this is the plus, guys. If it hasn't got a minus, it means that's what Amazon has credited you with. And as you can see, there's only 551 in warehouse damage. What I'm going to show you later is why I think there should be more. So every month I get hundreds of pounds back from Sellerboard by using the money back there. Once again, I'm going to show you that in a minute. Let's just finish the profit section here, which is what the video is about. So not only do you find the profits on the tiles up here, and you can break them down as I've just showed you. What you could also do is scroll down to the products. Let's say we sold a certain amount of this product here, the units, this SKU to 41 units, 370 in sales, and the net profit is 248.75. Let's pretend that that wasn't the profit we wanted. What we can do is click on more on the individual products here, and we can look at all the attributed costs to gaining that sales, to gaining this 370.59 sales we've got there. We can in dollars, we can actually figure out exactly what's gone on behind the scenes to get them sales. So we can see the advertising cost there, we can see the total Amazon fees there, nothing out the ordinary there, cost of goods is not there, gross profit, we got the net profit there, and then the margin. So if there was a product that we weren't happy with the profit, or it was actually making us minus profit, what we can do is go on the Amazon fees, click in, and most of the time you will find out that it was either inbound transportation, or it was a refund, or the advertising costs, or something like that was actually making that profit not make money. So as you can see, let's give you an example here. So we've sold 4 of this, okay, and we seem to be minus net profit of 124. What we can do is click more here, and straight away, as you can see, shipping costs. There we go, FBM shipping costs of minus 118 there. So straight away you can see why individual products and your whole day, week or month or last month is profitable or not as profitable as you thought by simply clicking into not only the products but to the tiles as well. So that's the basics, guys. Like that's it. It's simple. It connects to your Amazon account and stuff like that. I've been using this tool for years now. There's loads of other tools, but we're not going to run into them all today. What I'm going to do, you can also go into products here and add the VAT codes and 0%, 20% to make sure you're checking that you're getting charged VAT or not, depending on the relevant products, by the way, guys, which is really important. Leave a comment below if you don't understand what I mean, and I'll do a video talking about attributing the correct VAT codes when you become VAT registered. So let's click on money back here as well, guys. So this is like a bonus, if you like, on the video. So lost and damaged. So not only does Sellerboard track your profits, but this tool enables me to get this way more than for free, this tool. So it gives you an estimated reimbursement amount, and simply all you do is click on this, download the report, and then contact seller support here. And then you show that template, copy this template, add the report into it as well, send it to Amazon. I've got a video on exactly how to do this, by the way. Just scroll back in my videos or type in Amazon reimbursements Hayden onto YouTube and you will see the video of exactly how to do this. Do loss and damage. You can also do the same reports to returns there, FBA fee changes, and it will tell you how much money you're owed in these cases. And then I personally get my virtual assistant to just send all these reports off to Amazon on a weekly basis. and we get hundreds of dollars, hundreds of pounds. I've got 2 accounts, one Amazon UK, one USA. We get hundreds of pounds, hundreds of dollars back from both accounts every single month, guys. So this tool pays for itself anyway. Go get the 2-month free trial below. Test it out without a credit card, but I don't think you're going to want to get rid of it anytime soon anyway, because as I say, tracks the profit, and not only does it do that, but it gets all of your money back, your reimbursements back, so it pays for itself over and over again, always. So guys, let's get my head here now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you've got any questions below in the comments, and I will try to answer them. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hayden. Last month we did over 70,000 in sales, and I just document my journey on here, talk about the best tools that I'm using and things like that, and a lot of sourcing tutorials and stuff like that, how to find products, etc. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.